Hi guys, this is not a how-to video on how to fold yourself a Origami Star Wars X-Wing fighter. I'll just say that again, this is not a how-to video. I spotted a folding instruction picture on Pinterest and it looked fairly straightforward on Pinterest. And then I spent 2 nights trying to follow those instructions and I failed totally. So I ended up having a quick look on YouTube. Straight away it came up, and what we're doing in this video is you are watching me copying video on YouTube. Videos by a channel called Derminator, and there'll be a link on the screen in the information box up on the top right, and it'll also be in the video description a link to his video. So this is not me being clever, this is me being very careful and trying to follow somebody else's instructions. We do get there in the end. Mine does look a little bit wrinkly, it's not perfect, but we do actually get the end result that I was looking for. So I'll just say this again, this is not a how-to video. This is let's watch Grandad try and follow somebody else's instructions, because I'm pretty hopeless following people's instructions. But we got there in the end. I might have missed a couple of seconds of video right at the very end because the camera stopped filming. It stops at about 23 minutes and I think it took me about 25 minutes. So I filmed the last little bit again. So I think it's all there. There might be a couple of folds missing, but then if you want to know how to fold it, don't watch this video. Watch the one that I linked to by Derminator. And we're going to play music now, because I filmed this sitting at my computer desk while Nanny is watching the television, so there'll be copyright music and that in the background on the TV. So you'll have to put out with YouTube music instead. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.